Hey, let's make these delicious mushrooms with chickpeas. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to wash my mushrooms, and then I'm gonna fry them with the butter. You can use olive oil if you want. So I'm gonna fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will add my crushed garlic, about half a teaspoon of crushed garlic. Then I'm gonna use my seasoning. I'm using green onion. You can use salt and pepper if you like. And then I will add some herbs. And then I'm gonna keep on frying. Ah, look at that. So my mushrooms are almost ready now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my chickpeas and just strain the water, and then I'm gonna add them here. Then I'm gonna fry and mix all of that up, and then my mushrooms and chickpeas are ready. If you try this, let me know in the comment section, and until next time, bye.